So we
so we just got back from the store.
Nusita.
We went to the grocery store. It was awesome.
Tenemos Nusita.
We have a bag full of food.
Which is,
full.
I think it's basically
Okay,
Nutella.
we've all seen Coke Zero. They're little.
But it's Coke
They're
Zero.
chocolate hazelnut covered spread.
Toothbrushes.
Oh yeah, that's normal.
Para sus dientes. Okay, we have
Pear juice.
we got pear juice. Bueno. It just
would you
looks
stop
really
it?
good. Like look at
It's
it.
Kinder. Okay, you know Kinder Surprise. What are they called? They're called. They're
Aliens. So sorry.
They're illegal.
My line.
Kinder.
Our line.
It's called a Kinder Surprise, and it's a chocolate
Yes,
egg.
they're eggs!
They're illegal in the United States.
Why are they illegal?
Because they have. Apparently, you're not allowed to have like
Why would they do that?
food with like something unedible on the inside.
But it's a thin
I know.
chocolate.
No.
If we find them, we have to buy a ton of them because that's why this looks familiar because I've had a Kinder egg before.
Yeah. And they're illegal because apparently it's
Sophia
unsafe
Perano, if you're watching
to have.
this, you brought me a Kinder egg in 6th grade from Ecuador.
Who?
Sophia, I used to go to school with her.
Oh, that's cool.
Her dad is, I'm pretty sure it's Ecuador.
Is this going on YouTube?
I don't. Something.
I doubt she'd be watching it, but that was the first place I ever had
oops,
one.
I'm zooming
She
in.
brought us one.
That was really like an accident.
Also, I think this is hard
bueno.
candy.
It's what miel.
No, this is cocoa.
Oh,
almost
cocoa. We
have
almost
to tell
bought
the meal
honey candy.
story. Okay, this morning we're at
Oh my
Brendan's
gosh.
hard, and Todd. There's a couple that with us. It's Becky and Todd.
And Miss Vicky.
And Miss Becky and Todd wanted honey. Was it for his coffee? No.
No,
for
those-
the
honey for the sommelier type things,
our Alhadra.
Alhadra.
And so we wanted honey for it, and so we were like, "What? How do you say honey in Spanish?" And Katie didn't really. Hear.
I wasn't. Listen, I was doing something else, and all I just hear
She hears a
thought
word.
was
Well, she heard a word, and so she's like, "Oh, cibola."
cebollas. Cibola is the city of gold.
Oh, cebollas. And so I
Cebollas.
was like, how do you remember that? That's amazing. And she was like, ah. And so
we asked
the lady, we're like, cebollas. We necesitamos cebollas para whatever.
I can't believe you actually believed me, though.
I know.
And you were
she
so
kinda-
confident. If you weren't so confident, if you'd been like, I think it's,
She kind of gave us this look, but I mean, she's been giving us looks this whole time for breakfast. So we're like,
Because we are.
because we don't know what we're talking about.
Us.
We're
And so
No
We're
she
explanation.
never brings us
stupid
honey.
Americans.
And later, Trey, he accidentally ordered pancakes. He was trying to order plantains, but he ordered pancakes. And so he got Kayla. It has a.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It's.
I didn't want to cut the scroll, okay?
And so she brings him syrup, honey, and something else. Yes, it's
They're
Nutella.
little.
Oh, there's cream
Little
in it.
Mexican Nutella.
And so we
need
point
like
to it
cookies or
because
something
we're
to
like,
dip
yes,
in
it's
that.
honey. So we point to it and we're like, ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? Like,
In
Oh, I have
Espanol.
it.
and ¿Cómo se dice en español? Like, and she's like, siropo. And I'm like, no, this. And so she goes back and she brings out a jug of syrup and a jug of honey, and she's like, and she's like, siropo, miel. And I'm like, then what did we ask her for? We're like, Katie, what you said you knew how to say honey, and she's like, honey. I don't know how to say honey.
I thought you said onion.
I thought you said onion, and so we're like, we asked the woman for onions.
And they've been making
for
fun of me.
breakfast tortillas. And we're like, that's why she gets.
All
So
day.
all day we've
All
been
day.
making jokes. We're like, maybe if we just ask them for some honey, then they'll understand. Okay, so this
For
looks
onions.
like a Werther's sort of thing. I'm gonna try it. You're not even gonna try it. Dude, I get chocolate on our. This is our dirty bed. Look, we have 2 beds. I don't. We all sleep in one. So this
Because
is-
we've been dirty and sweaty
Yeah,
on
so
this
we've
one,
been
and
really
so
dirty.
when after we take showers.
So this is our dirty
we get in
bed
that one.
that we lay in when we're.
Okay, so I'm gonna try one.
Okay, you gonna do it together.
Oh my gosh. I want to do it.
Also, we have pear juice and
Because apparently Chloe has never had pear juice.
I've never had pear juice.
You
No,
weren't
you
with
haven't
us.
either.
You were picking out Coke Zero.
Wow.
Is that good?
No, she was there.
Yeah, it's good. One,
Right.
two.
No.
Hold on,
Hey.
no.
Hey. Hey, let's
Wait,
not in the
you
picture
lean
again.
in. Lean in. No, hold on.
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Yes.
I didn't kill it, Caleb.
Get it, Chloe.
Okay.
Get it.
Kayla.
Get it, Chloe.
There's a
Dead.
bug. Okay. Lean in.
Uno,
Okay.
dos, tres.
You're not in it, Kate.
Oh, it's hard candy.
It's bathed. Bathed in a layer of like whiskey or something.
Whiskey.
They're like fruity and chocolatey at the same time.
Bite into it.
Choco Manny. Mini Choco Manny. What's a big one look like?
They're small. There's something on the inside.
Yeah. Caramel maybe?
It grows
No
on
me
you.
gusta.
No, it grows on you. Just wait.
They're good enough to take home to people and share. They're not awful. They're pretty good. Oh, sorry. I'm like
It
my
grows.
hands dipping.
It grows. Don't worry. It's growing. You can see it. The furrow's listening.
Let's see what's in it.
Mm.
I can't hold the camera still. Sugar, chewy candy, peanuts, cocoa liquor.
I knew it.
And that's a common thing for chocolate candy.
Wanna try it?
Yeah, I have to
Can I
put
try?
this out real quick.
Maybe you could put the camera up there. They could be able to see us.
I have a tripod. We could set that up, but I have to go get it for my dad.
This is kind of melty. It's so humid here. It's insane.
Okay, here, let me try a bite. Kinder.
Can I try
Okay,
it?
they have them a lot in Europe and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Is it good? I think I just saw heaven. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Chloe, it's really that
Chloe,
good.
Don't walk into it. There's more, Chloe. It's here on Earth.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh, let's scroll cow. Scroll cow cookies. Scroll cow cookies.
Oh, we need ice.
Is that not fantastic?
It's good. Yes. Un momento, por favor.